Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not sending messages on iPhone iOS 18.5. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, click on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Now restart your iPhone. Turn on Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi. Solution number 2. Update your WhatsApp. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. On the App Store page, tap Search at the bottom of the App Store. Type WhatsApp and select it. If there an update available, you will see the update button and tap it. Solution number 3. Turn on background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, tap on general. On the general page, scroll up, tap background app refresh. Tap background app refresh again at the top. Choose Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi cellular data depending on your preference. Solution number 4. Check iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, click on general. On the general page, click on iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, scroll through the list and delete apps you don't use. Thanks for watching this video.